Welcome to another episode of Shut Up and Do It Yourself. Today we learned the hard way to not start a vehicle when you don't put antifreeze in the cooling system and you put regular hose water, well water, and you start it when everything's completely frozen. This is what will happen. You will break off your water pump impeller. Or I guess this is what could happen. This is what happened to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that, and hopefully this thing will be back on the road and I didn't blow out any freeze plugs. It doesn't look like anything's leaking, but if you're ever curious, I would definitely recommend, if you don't have coolant in your car and you squeeze the radiator hose and you feel that be like rock hard solid, like there's ice in it, do not start your car. I would let it heat up, or don't even start it until the temperature outside is above freezing for a couple of days, because that water pump is gonna have the full force of the engine turning, and if there's a block of ice in there, it is going to shatter. So hope this helps someone out from having a costly repair, but go ahead and shut up and do it yourself, and have a great day. Bye-bye.